To make the ultimate garlic bread, we have to have garlic confit. We're going to start with 1 cup peeled garlic, roughly a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 3 sprigs of rosemary, 1 bay leaf. Combine in a pot. Cook on very, very low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. Remove the cooked garlic confit from the pot. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic confit olive oil to the bowl. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, a pinch of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon dill dried, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast. Using a fork, start to smash the garlic and all of the ingredients together to form a puree. Using your microplane grater, zest roughly a 1/4 of a lemon. Add roughly a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon freshly chopped parsley. Spread a healthy spoonful of the garlic puree onto your favorite bread. Firmly press it into all the nooks and crannies. Pop it under the broiler, cooking until a deep dark golden brown. This garlic bread is so good you will be looking for any excuse to make it. That's why it is the ultimate garlic bread.